Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today I'm going to do a camera test between the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 10. So let's start the video. Now let's move towards the picture comparison taken by both the phones. So all the pictures that you are going to see in this video are unedited and I have taken them in auto mode. So first of all, here you can see a picture of flower, a yellow flower. You can see the quality on the iPhone 10 as well the iPhone 7 Plus. And here is another picture, and this picture is taken using the 2x optical zoom feature of both the phones. Now here you can see that we can see more quality on the iPhone 10 picture as compared to the iPhone 7 Plus. But again guys, you are the judges, that's why I'm making this video, so you can better decide the quality by seeing the pictures side by side. Here is another picture, as you can see. So this particular picture is taken using the portrait mode of the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 7 Plus. So you can see the depth of field on the background, whereas the subject is clear. So I should tell you that the iPhone 7 Plus supports portrait mode and not the iPhone 7, so make sure you know about that. Here are some other pictures as well. Here is a picture using the front camera of both the phones. So the quality, as you can see, of both the phones using their front camera. Here are a couple of more pictures as well for you to look in. So here is the video result of both the phones with their front camera. So you can see the video quality of the iPhone 7 Plus as well as the iPhone 10. So yeah, here you can see the result, the autofocus as well as the brightness and the exposure and all the things. So here is the camera test between the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 7 Plus. On the right I have the iPhone 7 Plus and on the left the iPhone 10. So both have built-in image stabilization, as you can see in the video. Both the phones are recording at 1080p 60 fps. So here you can see the video result of both the cameras and their autofocus system as well. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching this video and stay safe.